Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart, and we will be talking about few technical indicators. We will try to understand what the charts are telling us technically, and also we'll try to understand what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies, what could be the levels for these two cryptocurrencies in the short term, in the maybe for the next few days. So this is something we are going to discuss, and let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so this is the daily chart of Bitcoin, and if you see here, we have got a breakout here. So this is something which is the breaking news from the cryptocurrency space, that okay, now after a very long time, it's been around more than one month or so, the price was trading in a range, and it is at some point of time the price was completely lacking in the movement or in the price direction. So now we are getting this breakout. Yesterday I think it was up by 4%. Yes, and today it is up by more than 1%. So around 5% movement is there after the breakout. Now two things will be there. One, whether this breakout will be a sustainable one or not, we just need to confirm that thing. Secondly, what could be the next move for this particular cryptocurrency? Okay, so let's talk about the first thing first. We just want to confirm this breakout, whether this breakout will be a good one, will be a confirmed one or not, right? So what you need to see, usually whenever a breakout happens, we need to see that the price will move in that direction fast, right? So as of now we can see only 1%, 1.5% movement. If and also we can't deny the fact that this is the time where at this time when we are recording this session, at this point of time we are not getting much momentum in the cryptocurrency space, right? So what we can see, let's just wait for the evening session, and if the price closes in a good upside movement, if the price closes higher than the yesterday's candle, then we can consider this as a good one. Also the volume should be good enough, right? So if that happens, you will definitely see that the price will go up. It has a possibility that the price will reach to the resistance level, to the next resistance level. And if that doesn't happen, you will definitely see that price will come back again to the previous consolidation area. So this is what we can confirm here, we can look here. Now the second part is what could be the levels where the price can go. So as of now, since the price is trading higher than the 22,600, so what we can see, we can just take up a support at 22,600, and we'll take up a resistance at 25,800. So these are the two levels for the Bitcoin. And if let's say if today the price closes below than 22,600, then again we will come back to the earlier levels of 22,600 resistance, and I think 20,000 as the support area. So that's the different story. For that, first the price should close below than 22,600, so that's a different story. But yes, for today, or for you can say that according to the situation, the current situation, we can definitely think that the price will go up, and we can take up a resistance of 25,823. So this is for Bitcoin, and let's talk about the Ethereum. So there is a little change in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum has given the breakout prior to this Bitcoin. So Bitcoin has recently given up the breakout, but Ethereum has already did. I think it's been around a few days now. Let's check the chart. Let's see where we got this breakout. So we basically got a breakout on 15th of July. So it's been around, I think 4-5 days now. Now here there is a slight difference between this currency and the Bitcoin. So after this breakout, the breakout was a good one, sustainable one, and even the price just trading higher than the resistance of 1510, right? So one thing which looks interesting here is after this 18% rise, yesterday the price was down by I think around 1%, 1.5%, and today the price is just giving you, I think it's give me a second, it's up by 3.5%. Okay, now, and still don't forget that the market is open, so the closing can happen anywhere. So what I want to explain, or what I want to just make you people understand here is that after this 18% rise, if that rise, let's say if that wasn't a good one, if that wasn't a confirmed one, definitely we will see that the price will come back again to below than 1510. So that doesn't happen yesterday, because yesterday close is somewhere around 1545, which is higher than the support area. And even today the price I think tested a level of 1513. That was the low of today as of now. And again we have got the support at 1510, so very near to the support area the price actually made a low, and still the price is trading higher than this. So let's say if today the price closes higher than this 1510 support area, we will definitely see that the price will reach to 1725. So this could be the resistance and 1510 could be the support area. And if that doesn't happen, if let's say today because of any reason, or because the price has already reached to a higher level, now it's time to come back, and if that happens, price closes below than 1510, you will definitely see that the price will again come back to 1215 area. So that depends basically because the price is just hovering around at this 1510 area. So once the price should give us a clear direction that where it might go, and then we will just pick up those indications, those directions, and trade accordingly. So this is how you just need to see. And again for the intraday, I think till now, looking at the situation, the momentum is on an upside, and let's just wait for the evening session, wait for the closing. We'll go for the next few days, what can happen in the next few days, we'll be getting an idea after the close. So this is how you can just look at these two cryptocurrencies, and I hope you are learning something new every day about these cryptocurrencies. I hope you are gaining some technical knowledge for these two cryptocurrencies. So please subscribe to the channel, like this video, also hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out any notification in future. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us. Let's meet tomorrow.